I learned alphabets A to Z. Let's draw. Light green color. A for apple. B for bell. C for cat. D for duck. E for apple. F for fish. Brown color. G for grapes. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for king. L for lamb. Yellow color. M for monkey. N for nails. O for owl. P for prison. U for coin. R for ring. Blue color. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for water. X for xylophone. Purple color. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.